All right, Mark Deering here from Remax. We have an amazing lake property for you today. This is lake access on Barlow Lake. Perfect time for the summer. We're gonna take you around and take you on a quick tour. All right, I am so excited to show this house to you guys. Just about everything you see was just refinished not too long ago. And look at the decorating here, guys. You've got a walk in, you've got a nice sunk in living room. All kinds of natural light. Let's start in the kitchen and kind of show you around a little here. You've got so much countertop space, perfect for entertaining. By the way, this house is amazing for entertaining. You're gonna see all the different spots. Perfect for getting family over, inviting friends, come over to the lake for the weekend. In addition to the hard surface countertops, you've got a huge amount of cabinet space. Look at the tile work, the backsplash, the hood fan. This island seats at least 5 people. Got the view of the lake. All right, so as you can see, they've got a real big dining room table. This will also seat 6. So if you can imagine, you could have the whole giant family here all at once. Got a nice buffet table, which also is a great coffee bar. All right, so that's the kitchen and the living room. Now we're gonna show you to the south side of the home, which is 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Over there behind is the 3rd bedroom on the main floor, but let's start this way first. Walk down the hallway right away, you've got a full bath with a tile shower, subway tile. Check out that amazing floor. So that's the bath. Right off to the side here is gonna be the primary bedroom, and it does have its own full bath. Look at the size of this thing, and look at the way it's decorated. It's got the sliding doors. These doors here you don't need blinds when you have something like this. You just move these over, and there's your shade or your blind. Got to give credit to the owners on some of the cool things in here. You've got a nice seating area. Look at this bathroom. This is the master bath. Hard surface countertops, dual sinks, tiles, backsplash. Guys, auto rising toilet lid. This is heated floor. This is a heated tile floor. The controls right over here by us, and my feet are a toasty 82 degrees right now. So perfect for getting out of the shower those cold mornings. So let's head down the hallway. Look at the nice decorating in the hallway here. This is your 2nd bedroom, also very good size. I don't want to quote the dimensions of it and have it wrong, but it is a very good size bedroom. Some key features in this bedroom is these built-in drawers. So you got a built-in dresser, all soft close. Real nice, and then your closet space. All right, so that's the south wing of the home. We're gonna head back through the kitchen just so you all once again get an idea of the flow. Can't pass through here without looking at the lake. All right, this is gonna be your main floor utility laundry. You've got your lockers, lots of boot storage, all right off to the garage. And on the north side of the home, this is almost like another primary bedroom. It's really good size. It comes with its own fireplace. You've got a slider with the amazing view. They're using it as almost like a guest room. But this room is also really good size. Another built-in dresser, soft close. Okay, so here we go. You heard me say earlier, entertainer's dream. This is just another portion of it. We still have a lot more to go for the entertainer's dream. Check this out. We got hard surface countertop, nice bar down here. We've got full fridge, you got a sink, You've got the full wet bar. And then over to this side, you got a real nice, good sized family room. I mean, look at this ceiling fan, decorated, very nice. This is a wood burning fireplace. Upstairs is gas. This is gonna be one entrance out to the back, and there's at least one other entrance to the rear yard. So now we're gonna walk to the other side of the walkout basement, and you have another full bath. Tile floor, hard surface countertop, all trendy. Look at this subway tile all the way around. Here's some more of the entertainer dream stuff. You've got a nice little ping pong room, you got a pool table, you got shuffleboard. We have a 4th bedroom. Here's another entrance out the side. This takes you out to the 2 different garages, and this is gonna be where you'd probably go in and out to the fire pit as well. Maybe grab the drink off the bar, grab some popcorn, grab some snacks. All right, we can't forget about this room. This has a nice rubberized floor. This is the workout room. Great workout room, TV built in. All right, before we go hit the hot tub and I get into my swimsuit, I'm gonna do a few reps. 1,000, 1,001, 1,002. So there is so many places to hang out here. You're gonna lose track, I promise you. I'm sitting down here underneath the walkout of the entertaining basement that we just walked out of. Perfect spot, view of the lake. You've got the hot tub right over here running in the background, and you've got a nice bar that comes up to it. You got drinks right here, people in the hot tub, people out of the hot tub sitting on stools right here. You've got the TV behind you mounted on the wall for the game. All the decorative lighting. So that's underneath the deck over there. Over on this side, this is a big lot. Like, this is rare when you're near water. You actually have a ton of parking. You could put up another building if you really needed to over there. But you do have 2 buildings, which are gonna be over on this side. Follow me this way. Look at all these mature shade trees, privacy. We're gonna walk over here to this garage first. So you do have a 2-stall attached garage that gets you right into the house, and then you've got this 2.5-stall unattached garage. Normally we don't show inside of garage spaces, but come on, look at this one. I mean, this is basically a whole nother family room for entertaining, doing the cards. I mean, anytime you're by a lake, the family seems to all of a sudden come to your house all the time, and you've got room for them. Moving right along. Got a nice, another accessory building here. Want to keep that one nice and clean for entertaining. You want to keep the lawnmower in here, the grass clippings, perfect. So you got people in the hot tub, you got people on the upstairs deck, you got people in the garage entertaining. You got a bunch of friends over here hanging around the fire. All right, I even lost track of how many different entertaining spots I've showed you, but look at the size of this deck. You've got a nice, huge area for entertaining again. You've got a nice covered area that we'll show you here in a second. View of the water. You got a real nice cable style railing so you can kind of see all the way through. Tons and tons of space here, guys. All right, so that wraps up your tour. We are just off of Barlow Lake. It is a private lake, but you do have private access to put your boat in, and you've got the nice views. This is a perfect house for entertaining, guys. Come out and see the open house, and looking forward to showing it to you.